What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 16 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this small Forest River Aurora 16BHX. This RV is under 20 feet and sleeps 5. Let's check it out. Alright, so this right here is the Forest River Aurora 16BHX. This RV is quite small, it's under 20 feet, and surprisingly, it sleeps 5. Let's take a look at the specs before we tour this RV though. So you've got a hitch weight of 396 pounds, an unload vehicle weight of 2,969 pounds, and then a gross vehicle weight of 4,396 pounds, which is nice because you could tow this with a small SUV, and that's with it fully loaded. And then you have a total exterior height of 10 feet 1 inch, and then a total length of 19 feet 6 inches. Starting up front on this RV, you've got a propane tank, a standard crank jack, and then you've got an egress window on the side, hot water tank, freshwater connection, and then you've got this large window with rippled siding on this RV, and then some Aurora decals. You got your sewage connection and gray water connection, and then you've got a scissor jack, 30 amp power hookup, and then you've got your cable TV. Then on the back of this RV is prepped with the Liprit collapsible ladder, and then it's also prepped for the Furrion backup camera, which is two nice things to have your RV already prepped for. And then this right here is a black tank flush. Now, this right here is a basic RV, but that right there bumps it up to a whole nother level because that is really useful. You got your leash link, and then this RV has a 10-foot awning on the campsite. Then you've got this little vent here. That right there is for the hood above the stovetop. And then you've got an outdoor speaker, outdoor plug, and then your furnace exhaust. Up front, you've got a little underbelly storage area. Now, this doesn't pass through all the way to the other side, but it's got a lot of room. So that's great for such a small travel trailer. You can kind of bring what you want to bring with you. That right there is pretty much the outside of this RV. Let's go ahead and head inside this RV using the Liprit solid steps. So this RV has it's already prepped for a Liprit thin screen shade, which basically pulls up and keeps the light from coming in the window and the door. Let's head inside this RV and check it out. So when you first come in, you've got a large RV queen size bed up front with a nice shelf up above, and then you've got a egress window, and then check this out. It's kind of like a little flip up cabinet. Then this right here is a jackknife sofa that folds out, so that right there sleeps one person. Cabinets up above, and then you've got 2 bunk beds. Now I wish they would have put a window, but that's alright. Over here you've got a cabinet, large size cabinets for a small size kitchen, and then up above you got a 2-burner cooktop, and then you've got your hood vent, which is the vent that we had saw on the outside. And then you've got a smaller size sink with a faucet, and then up above is 2 large size cabinets and then a microwave over in the corner. Beneath the microwave is a smaller size refrigerator, but it gets the job done. Now let's head into the bathroom. So you've got a mirror, then a little shelf, plastic toilet, foot flush toilet, and then a large size shower, which this is a big shower for such a small RV. But that right there is the inside of this RV. Let me know what you guys think. Did they really maximize the space and the layout design of this RV? Let me know in the comments, and that is going to do it for this tour. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.